Hey, this is Louis from Lost Pine Toyota Parts again. Just wanted to go over some of our common failures that we see in parts. Today we're overviewing the catalytic converter, your full strut, and sway bar link. The first thing I want to talk to you about is the catalytic converter. And I've got it cut in half so you can see what goes on the inside. Inside of here, there's small porous holes that all of your recirculated gas goes through. And over the course of time, it starts plugging up. You should see it look a little bit more like this right here. Clean and clear. But this one has been bad for so long that all these holes are plugged up. You'll start to see things such as your decrease in fuel mileage, backfiring, all the way up to more catastrophic failure. Now, if you look on this side, you can see the many years of carbon buildup from all the burning of excess gas that built up in there. The next thing we want to look at is your strut mounts. These are probably your most noticeable when they go bad. You have your coil, you have your strut, and you have your strut mounts right here. Inside of each of these strut mounts, there's a bearing that you can usually hear a clicking noise whenever you're turning, and it allows the strut and inside to move independently instead of all together like most struts do. The boot here normally protects the inside from rust and corrosion. As you can see, the boot's been torn up for a while, and now we have rust and corrosion building up in there. And attached to this, we have the sway bar link, which keeps your vehicle from swaying from side to side when you're taking your turns. And the more it goes out, the more you allow that car to sway left and right. You can usually hear this one clicking, but you can feel it more so than you can hear it when you go through your turns. These three components are pretty common, and these are things that we all want you to watch out for here at Lost Pines Toyota, so you can have it come over here and serviced by one of our many trained technicians.